soft reflections on the stone. Lantern lights guide us home. The river glitters calm and wide. Your hand is warm pressed into mine. Every step the night feels near. Love is louder when you're here. Lanterns in the rain, shining gold. Stories of our hearts unfold. Through the autumn night we stay. Love will never fade away. Cafe windows fog with light, shelter glowing through the night. Your smile lingers soft and true. Every street lamp points to you. Every glance a gentle flame. Every breeze repeats your name. Lanterns in the rain, shining gold. Stories of our hearts unfold. Through the autumn night we stay. Love will never fade away. And when the morning sun appears, I'll hold this night across the years. Through the storm and through the pain, I'll remember lanterns in the rain. Shines for you by the river's quiet lane. We'll live forever in the